how to change the frame size in Figma. So I have my frame here and I want to resize it with all the content inside of it. And when I have this selected, I just try to drag it out, but what happens is only the frame changes its size without the content inside of it. Well, I can select everything and try to resize it that way, but it's still not working properly. So also, even when I try to resize it here from the right hand side where I can choose my width and height, I type in 900 for example, and that's not the result I want. So what I can do is I can select all of the things in the frame that I want to resize, and I can type K on my keyboard, which is the keyboard shortcut for scale. You can also find this function up here in this top left corner under the move tools. It should be the second one here. So once I do that, you can see my arrow looks different now when I try to resize it. So when I drag it out, as you can see now, it changes uniformly and also keeps the ratio correct. So now I can resize it to whatever I want. And that's how you change the frame size in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.